Welcome to the channel. Today our subject of discussion is ink for speedometer dial printing. इस इंक के सप्लायर कौन से हैं और क्वालिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के लिहाज से हम इनकी एवेल्युएशन करेंगे, उनका तकाबली जायजा लेंगे और देखेंगे कि विच ऑफ द इंक इज मोस्ट सूटेबल फॉर प्रिंटिंग ऑफ डायल ऑफ स्पीडोमीटर. The first important supplier is Teikoku प्रिंटिंग इंक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी लिमिटेड और इसकी इंक का नाम है 13 इंक सीरीज. 13 इंक सीरीज is especially designed for printing dials such as speedometers related to automobiles. और उसके की फीचर्स हैं. It offers excellent addition to various plastic materials like polycarbonate, acrylic, and soft and rigid PVC. It also addresses fogging issues, जो कि बहुत important है, caused by residual solvent gases in acrylic covers. Its suitability is that it is ideal for applications requiring high quality printability and good adhesion to plastic materials. ये है इस कंपनी का एड्रेस टोक्यो में, उसका टेलीफोन नंबर और उसका फैक्स नंबर. दूसरी कंपनी है प्रोल GmbH. प्रोल GmbH offers specialized screen printing inks for instruments dials including speedometers. ये एक कंपनी जो है ये जर्मन कंपनी है. इसकी वेबसाइट का एड्रेस ये है और इसका टेलीफोन नंबर 4991419060 है. इसके इंक जो जेट 200 है is a versatile ink suitable for various substrates, while the other ink, Norifan HPRN, is a high temperature resistance ink designed for automotive interiors. इसकी suitability क्या है? These inks are tailored for screen printing applications in automotive and consumer electronics, ensuring durability and performance. Broad expertise in ink for engineered plastics, decorative moldings, and back molding components mean their products are highly relevant for industrial and decorative print, plus molding applications, for example, instrument panel overlays, display bezels, and keypads, etc. Third supplier of the ink is Farbatech Automotive Printing Inks. Farbatech provides diversified selections of ink tested for high quality applications in various automobile components. Their inks are fast drying, offer high print quality, have great adhesion, and are scratch resistant. They are also free from volatile organic compounds. Suitability: it's ideal for printing on dashboards, speedometers, panels, and other automotive components requiring weather and chemical resistance. फॉर्मेटेक कंपनी ये गुड़गांव में रजिस्टर्ड कंपनी है इंडिया की. इट्स ए ब्रांड ऑफ टेक्निकल प्रिंटिंग इंक्स under Spinks were established in 1988. Formatex automotive grades are relevant for decorated or printed plastic components, for example, switch panels, bezels, overlays, rather than full coatings. It is important to evaluate how their products compare to conventional coatings, that is, paint and powder coat. You normally use printing ink as thinner, typically for decorative marking. They require a different substrate preparation, curing, drying, and adhesion protocols. Fourth important supplier is Cow Collins Automotive Inks. Cow Collins manufactures high quality digital printing inks for use by suppliers and assembly plants throughout the automotive industry. इसका key feature, their portfolio includes ink for marking and coating components as well as decorative printing applications. They offer inks for various substrates, including glass, rubber, plastic, and metals. Their inks are suitable for printing on automotive parts like brake pads, dashboards, displays, and many more. This company is registered in Cincinnati, Ohio, United States of America. This company, Collins, provides inks for various automotive printing applications, non-porous substrates, plastic, glass metals, etc. in the automotive industry. Our recommendations are for high temperature applications, Teikoku's 13 ink series is recommended due to its excellent adhesion and fogging resistance, making it suitable for automotive components. For durability and performance, Roll offer high temperature resistance and are tailored for automotive interior. And for weather and chemical resistance, Formatex inks provide fast drying properties, high print quality, and resistance to weather and chemicals, ideal for various automotive components. And finally, for versatility across substrates, Coca-Cola inks of United States of America are suitable for wide range of substrates, ensuring compatibility with various automotive parts. There are some additional Japanese suppliers ink for dial printing of speedometers, analog dials. For example, ये कंपनी है DIC Corporations, a group Sun Chemical Group. It's group leaders in printing inks and pigments. एक और कंपनी है Toyo Ink, RTS Group, broad range including screen ink, UV, EB, decorative and functional ink for industrial automotive uses. Some other company, Sakata Inks, screen offset industrial ink maker for industrial with industrial inkjet, specially specially specialty coatings and packaging industrial products. एक और कंपनी है निप्पन कायाकू, dyes, inkjets and functional color materials, primer-less water-based pigment system for coated films and industrial printing. एक और कंपनी है which is known as Fujifilm Cerakote. It provides screen inks for dash panels, formed metals, and thermoformable plastics. Here is a comparison chart. Here is the for supplier evaluation with including detailed supplier and a product overview. Key attributes. On the basis of key attributes most relevant to speedometer dial printing. सबसे पहले इन तमाम कंपनीज जो अभी हमने डिस्कस की हैं दैट इज टेइकोकू, रोल, फार्बाटेक, काओ, पीआईसी, टोयो इंक, सकाता, निप्पॉन कोयोकू, फूजी फिल्म एटसेट्रा, उनके रेलेवेंट प्रोडक्ट्स क्या हैं सीरीज में? सबसे पहले टेइकोकू 13 सीरीज इंक सीरीज फॉर speedometer dials printing. Roll, the product is Jet 200 Norifon HERN. Formatec, its product specially automotive screen or pad inks for various brands. Coca-Cola USA, its special product is Ultra UV, its Flex R lead curable inks. DIC UV screen offset specialty inks. Toyo ink screen UV EB functional coatings. Sakata Gravers, which is an industrial inks. Nippon Kayaku primerless water-based pigment inks. Fujifilm Automark MPL UV solvent screen inks. These are the important products of these companies. Now we come to the substrate compatibility of the products of these components. For Teokoku, it's most suitable for PC, PMMA, and PVC. For Prol, its compatibility is better in PVC, PC, acrylic, IMD, FIM films. For Batex, it's most suitable for plastics, metals, coating. Cow, PC, PMMA, PVC, glass, metal. DIC, films, plastic, metals. Toyo ink, films, plastics, thermoplastics. Sakata, plastic film display substrates. Nippon Koyaku, coated films, plastics. Fujifilm, form metals, PC and PET. Coming to the second important point, key dial printing strengths. That is the feature upon which the product of these companies are evaluated and are being compared. Teikoku ink, it is designed for meter dials. It has excellent adhesion and anti-fog resistance. Roll, its high temperature resistance, thermoformable, ideal for backplate and MD. Formatec product is key strength is good opacity and adhesion. The key strength of Cow products are fast UV LED cure, thermoforming, scratch resistance. The DIC has global consistency, fraud, R&D. Toyo Inc., its product strength is decorative, functional effects, ultraviolet protection. Sakata Inc.'s display quality can formulate for durability. Nippon Kayaku, it has low VOC primerless workflow. Fujifilm, high adhesion, yellowing resistance, and thermoformable. The special notes related to these products are for Teikoku printing inks, highly dial specific. This is very strong candidate for printing of the dial of speedometer. Roll, it has strong automotive usage detailed dashboard data sheet. Detailed data sheets. Forward depends on brand select. Cow, strong OEM support, digital friendly. BIC Corporation, it has excellent global support. Here we compare the suitability on the basis of which is the strong suitable and has proven performance for dial printing inks. And here X shows not a key strength or not dial specific in available data. As far as addition to PC and PMA is concerned, all the companies are okay except Nippon Kaya. Anti-fog resistance, Teikoku printing ink is the most suitable. The rest are not do not have a key strength or not dial specific in available data. As far as heat thermoforming resistance, only Prol is passing and Fuji films are passing. Whereas backlit IMT FIM suitability, Prol is suitable, Cow is okay, Toyo ink is also okay, and Fujifilm is also okay. Low VOC and eco options. Cow is okay, DIC okay, Toyo ink okay, Sagata ink okay, Nippon Kayaku okay. The others are not suitable. As far as global support, technical support is concerned, Prol is okay, Cow is okay, DIC is okay, Toyo Inc. is okay, Sagata is okay, and finally Fujifilm was okay. Therefore, when we evaluate these suppliers, we think that Teki Teikoku printing inks have the important characteristics that is addition to PC PMMA and anti-fog performance. This anti-fog performance is only okay in case of Teikoku printing inks, in case of where all other companies' products are failing. Only one drawback is there that Teikoku printing inks have lesser global technical support. However, when we consider this chart, Teikoku is the strong candidate for the supply as a supplier of the ink for dial printing of analog speedometer. The same chart is here being produced in a color format indicating the suitability of suppliers. Here also, Teikoku is a strong candidate. Attributes that matter for analog speedometer dials are considered. In this case, that is anti-fog when covered by acrylic, adhesion to PC, heat thermoforming or IMT backmolding resistance for backlit dials, and ability to be cured quickly on production lines. Now, which is the best ink for speedometer dial printing? When we have evaluated the suppliers, we come to the conclusion that honestly, no single best for every process. Pick up your process and use and use. If you do direct screen printing onto the dial substrate, that will be covered by an acrylic plastic lens. Typical analog speedometer with top cover, Teikoku 13 screen ink is a top choice. Why? क्यों Teikoku explicitly designed the 13 series for meter dials and for preventing internal fogging under acrylic covers while giving excellent addition to polycarbonate. If your process is conventional screen printing under a clear cover, this is highly focused and ready for that exact problem. If your workflows uses IMD, FIM film, insert molding, back molding, or requires the printed layer to survive injection molding, oblique back molding, or to be sandwiched and backlit, in that case, raw inks are probably the best fit. Why? Raw inks is specially built for IMD, FIM is a high temperature resistance, formable and back moldable, and is used for instrument panels and backlit dials. Let's explain this terminology, that is IMD, FIM, and back molding. IMD is in molding decoration, FIM is film insert molding, and back molding is back injection. What happens? In case of IMD, printed flat film places inside mold, plastic injected behind it. In case of FIM, printed film is pre-shaped, thermoformed, then molded. In case of back molding, plastic injected behind printed film. IMD is used for 2D or flat or highly curved dials. FIM is used for 3D curved dials, dashboard panels, etc. Back molding is all IMD FIM processes. The requirements are, in case of IMD, good heat and adhesion. In case of FIM, thermoformable ink. In case of back molding, high temperature resistance ink. So if we consider these processes, the most suitable ink is from Brawl manufacturers, which is a high temperature resistance, formable and back moldable, and is used for instrument panels and backlit dials. Number three, if you need fast production, this is third case, and low VOC instant curing or thermoforming UV digital workflows, then consider Colin USA inks or Fujifilm Charcoal Automar MPL for pods. They offer ultraviolet curable systems and thermoforming capable inks that cure quickly and give strong scratch and heat resistance. The thermoforming process mentioned here is a manufacturing process in which plastic sheet is heated until it becomes soft and flexible, then formed over a mold to create a specific shape. After shaping, the plastic is cooled and trimmed to produce the final part. The fourth case could be if you require global supply, color matching at scale, or multi-site sourcing. DIC or Toyo Inc. are excellent. They have broad research and development, global presence, and a wide palette of specialty functional inks. Good when you want one supplier for many different processes. Global supply, you need products or material that can be delivered anywhere in the world, not just locally or in one country. Color matching at scale means you need the company to produce large quantity of materials such as inks, paints, plastics, or coatings with exactly the same color, consistency, and accuracy. Multi-site sourcing, you need to buy or receive materials from multiple factories or locations, often in different countries, while ensuring All sites supply the same quality and specification. In simple words, if you need worldwide delivery, perfectly consistent colors in large production, or supplies from multiple global locations, then DIC or Toyo Inc. are strong candidates and are excellent. So our recommendation was best for classic analog tile screen printing under acrylic cover, Keikoku 13 screen ink with excellent addition and anti-fog. And best for IMD backlit high temperature forming, roll inks are most suitable, which are proven thermoforming and back molding performance. And in case of best for fast UV curing, low VOC needs, Colin USA or Fujifilm Japan Automark MPL are the best inks. In case of best for global sourcing and multiple site color consistency, DIC or toy ink are the candidates. Quick line final pickup. When we consider speedometer, best single choice for classic analog speedometer dial, screen printing under acrylic cover, Teikoku 13 screen ink, it is best. And for best for IMD backlit high temperature forming, rolled inks are most suitable. Let's explain some important terms here. Backlit, when subject, when such a speedometer dial display panel sign or button has a light source behind it, making the text symbols or graphics glow from the back, it is called backlit. Example, a car speedometer where numbers light up from behind at night. A mobile phone display with LED backlit. Backlit signage at airport or bus stops. Backlit keyboards on laptops. Wise use in speedometer dials. Backlighting improves visibility in low light, ensure even illuminations, and provides a premium aesthetic. So in this case, Teikoku inks are the most suitable candidates for printing of dial of analog speedometers. And finally, the practical step you may take to assess the inks in general. Number one, the procedure you should follow is number one, match ink to your exact process. Screen versus pad versus IMT versus UV digital. Use the bullets above to pick 2 to 3 candidates inked. Based on the point listed above, select the top 2 or 3 ink options. Then, at the second step, request small trial sample packs with TDS and MHDC, safety data sheets, technical specifications from those suppliers. For example, Teikoku 13 series and Pro should be top priority for typical tiles. Teikoku and Pro have instrument tile specific data sheets. तीसरा कदम, run these tests on actual substrates and covers. Adhesion cross cut, oven bake, yellowing, solvent rub, thermoforming if applicable, and fogging under acrylic cover controlled chamber. And finally, evaluate production comparability, cure step, cycle time, environmental VOC limits, and supplier technical support for process tuning. So, DIC, Toyo, Fujifilm, Go have strong technical global service if you need skill support. With this, we conclude our today's subject on the discussion of suppliers of the ink for dial printing of speedometer and their evaluation. Please stick around for more. Hit like, share, and subscribe button to receive the similar contents in future too. Thank you and thank you very much.